Hello friends, this is Nikhil Nangude. Today we are going to learn how to create a temple animation using Flash. So let's start. Save that file on a desktop. No need of a frame by frame animation. So we are going to work on each frame to create such an animation. So let's change fill color and stroke color. Select rectangle tool by pressing R on keyboard. Shortcut key for that is R. Double click on it and group it by pressing Ctrl G. Align that to a stage horizontal center. Press Ctrl S to save animation in between. Now copy that frame. Insert a new keyframe. Shortcut key for inserting keyframe is F6. Copy, Ctrl Shift V to paste in a place. Drag that little bit above of below step. Take one more keyframe. Copy that. Press Ctrl Shift V to paste in a place and drag that above that second step. Again copy that, drag one more step, take one more keyframe and create one more step by pressing Ctrl Shift V to paste in a place. So we have created 5 steps for our temple animation. Okay, create a new layer to make a beam of our temple. Select rectangle tool, draw beam size, double click on it, group it by pressing Ctrl G on keyboard, resize by pressing Q on keyboard, and align that horizontal center at the stage. Publish, Alt Shift F12 to publish a movie. Now we are going to make a column. Create a new layer for column. Select the same rectangular tool, double click on it, group that, and resize that a little bit. Actually we are going to make a top as well, to keep that same size, copy that, Ctrl Shift V to paste in place and align that both the columns with below steps. You can use a ruler for that. For a ruler, Ctrl Shift Alt R is a short key. So track that ruler line for proper alignment with the steps. Or you can select both the columns, group that by pressing Ctrl G on keyboard and align that horizontal center. For align panel, short key is a Ctrl K. Okay, so we have created steps, beam and column. Now we are going to create a top of our temple animation. Select same rectangle tool, draw a top size, double click on it, group it by pressing Ctrl G on keyboard, and same Ctrl K, align that horizontal center. Now we are going to do a same procedure what we did for steps. Copy, making a new keyframe, uh, creating a new top step for top of our temple. We are taking that on a new keyframe. You can see that on our top layer it's a second keyframe what we have created just now. Now take one more keyframe. F6 is a short key for making keyframe. Copy that, Ctrl Shift V to paste in a place. Drag that above of a second layer. Resize that by pressing Q on keyboard. Okay. Always press Ctrl S and Alt Shift F12 to publish and save any animation. Sorry for that. Create one more keyframe. Copy this frame. Ctrl Shift V to paste in place. Drag that above. Press Q to resize that shape. Alt Shift to resize that. Okay, so we are going to import a god image for this animation. So come to photos and wallpapers. We have found a god folder. Select god image which is going to suit with the colors of our animation. Grab that on a stage. Okay, and create a new layer about top layer. Rename that as a god, and again Ctrl Shift V to paste in a place. Okay, and align that horizontal and vertically center. Resize by pressing Q on keyboard, Shift Alt. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we have grouped this image by pressing G on keyboard. Now there are some lines below and above of this image, so we are going to remove that unwanted lines. So press Ctrl B to break image, so we can edit that image. So just remove above line, remove below line as well. We don't want that. By pressing Ctrl B on any image, you can edit that image. Okay, that's fine. Now come back to scene 1. Now align that god at the center of that white portion in a temple. Actually there is no need to align that according to stage. Align that by manually by pressing arrow keys. Okay, I think that's better now. Okay, control save animation, and alt shift F12 to publish animation. Okay, now we are going to change colors of this portion. So first we changing color of our beam, make that little bit brown. I'm also going to make a change on the top steps. So change that to a brown. Same on a third step. Okay, now we are also going to change steps color. Take that a little bit brown orange, similarly to a fourth step. Okay, that's looking very nice now. Okay, that's looking so beautiful now. So this is a basic structure of our animation got completed. If you like our video, do subscribe, share this video. Don't forget to press a bell icon for this. Okay, if you press a bell icon, you will get a new videos notification. So we are going to make this as a frame by frame animation. That's why I'm placing all the keyframes one after another in each layer. So we will get a frame by frame animation. Insert a frame there. Okay, now above God layer, take a action, insert a keyframe, F9 for action, stop action, insert a brackets and semicolon, stop, Ctrl S to save animation. So that's what we got now. We have completed our animation project. So that's how you can create a frame by frame animation using this very simple technique. So if you like a video, do subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.